Generally, the early 1998 to 2006 Ford Expedition Lincoln Navigator models leave the factory with a piccolo-style condenser. On account of manufacturer model updates of these early models, 1998 to 2006 Expedition and Navigator models on the road today may feature a piccolo or parallel flow style condenser. Today, most aftermarket suppliers offer the parallel flow style replacement condenser for these models, as most late model vehicles are now equipped with the parallel flow design. By distributing refrigerant across a greater surface area, parallel flow condensers are much more efficient heat exchangers compared to the piccolo design. Additionally, brackets will need to be reused, as most aftermarket parallel flow replacement condensers do not feature the same bracket design as the original piccolo style. Take caution when replacing the OE piccolo style condenser with an aftermarket parallel flow condenser. Systems with a parallel flow condenser can take up to 10 ounces less than OE specifications for a piccolo style condenser. See GPD Tech Tip 169. Check the charge before you install for more information on temperature testing to verify refrigerant charge. Thanks for watching. For more tech tips like this, visit gpdtechtips.com.